So let me show you the special way to get your fabric going in these. So it's got an inner hoop and an outer hoop. And if you notice on the inner hoop, these letters that are almost invisible say this side up. So that's important knowledge. So we'll take this apart and put the outer hoop aside for now. Here's our inner hoop. So the reason this says this side up is that if you flip it over and look at it, that side actually is a little bit wider. It's got a little lip on the edge. And we'll see what that's for in just a sec. So let's turn it over and follow the instructions. This side up, I'll take my fabric, and this, I've transferred my sampler design onto this fabric, and I'm going to center my center circle in the middle of the hoop. Then I'll loosen the nut on my hoop almost all the way off so that I can make this really wide and fit it all the way around this hoop. Then it's very important, that little this side up lip, you want to pop that up so that it sits on the edge of your outer hoop. Now, to get your tension right, you're going to start tightening the nut and then alternate tightening that with gently tugging your fabric. Tighten your nut, pull your fabric. And if you alternate sides when you're pulling your fabric to tighten it, it'll keep your design in line so you won't turn your circle into an egg shape. So gently tugging, tighten, tighten, tighten. It's worth taking the time to get some really nice, good tension on your hoop because it's going to make it easier to form your stitches.